Struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office? In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to set up your NewFast Wi-Fi range extender using the login method if WPS button not working for you. Let's get started. Plug into power. First, unbox your NewFast range extender. Inside the box, you will get range extender itself, LAN cable, and quick user guide. Now take Wi-Fi extender and plug into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Make sure it's turned on and wait for the power LED to light up solid green, indicating the device is ready. Step 2. Connect extender SSID from mobile or laptop. Now go to your mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and connect to default SSID name NewFast 2G or NewFast 5G. Now open web browser and access 192.168.10.1 IP address. You will get NewFast login page. Use default password admin and press login button. Once you're inside, the extender will usually start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. You'll see a list of available networks. Find your main Wi-Fi network's name SSID in the list and select it. And provide your main Wi-Fi network password and press Save Settings button. The extender will now apply the configuration and restart. This takes about a minute. Wait for about 30 to 40 seconds while the extender and router establish a connection. Once connected, the signal LED on the extender will turn solid blue, confirming a successful connection. Go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and you will find a new Wi-Fi SSID name. Same as your home Wi-Fi name followed by EXT. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your home Wi-Fi password to connect it. Relocate and use. Now you can unplug the extender and place it in a location where the Wi-Fi signal is weak but still reachable by the router's signal, ideally about halfway between the router and the dead zone. Make sure the LED signal strength indicator shows good connectivity. That's it. If this video helped you eliminate your Wi-Fi dead zones, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.